In this video we'll talk about another new feature in the auto suggest control and edit combo control in version 11, and we'll start out in Gmail to demonstrate how Google has implemented this feature so you can see where the motivation for the feature came from. So when I'm creating a new email in Google, if I go there and I type an auto suggest list pops up, and if I make a selection from the list, you can see that after the selection is made, a comma, which is the separator, is filled in, and now I can go and enter another value and carry on entering values as I want. So in this case the auto suggest is allowing multiple values in the control. So let's go back here, and you can see here I've built a dialog control that just has a single field called send to. And let me just make that a little bit smaller. So now when I go there and I type in I get a list of choices, but it's only allowing me to enter one choice. If I carry on typing, if I type in a comma, for example, I don't get any more choices. So I'm going to go back now to the lookup definition, and you'll see now that the auto suggest has additional properties here. You can see there's allow multiple selections, and then it says what's the separator character. This is a comma. It's difficult to see because of the font, but that's a comma. And then also auto add separator after selections. That means that after I make a selection from the list, should Alpha 5 automatically fill in the separator character, and I've checked that to be yes, which is what Google also did. So let's now go into working preview, and I type in an A, and I'll pick, say, Baker, and then I'll type in an H, and I'll type in Harrington, I'll type in, say, SM, and then type in Smith. So you can see that we've got the exact identical behavior that that Google has in Gmail in the auto suggest feature in version 11. Now the same behavior applies to the edit combo as well. So let's take a look at how that can be done. So you can see now I've added another control to my dialog component here, and this is now an edit combo. And let's go there, and I'll choose, say, Arlington, and now I'll go and choose Brockton, and now I'll go and choose Buffalo. So you can see I now have multiple selections turned on for the edit combo. And if we go look now at how this edit combo was defined, we'll open up the lookup builder, and you can see what we've got is an edit combo. We're displaying the city and state. You can see there's our city and state fields. We've set the display template for the drop-down list to this HTML, which was just simply done by saying use a sample template, and we chose that template over there, and that filled in the HTML template for us. And then we went down to allow multiple selections. We turned that on. We specified the comma as our separator, and we also added in automatically add in the separator after a selection. So in these examples we've been using this feature in the dialog component, but the feature is equally useful in the grid component, as we'll demonstrate next. So you can see here we have a grid with the search part, and we've got a field in the search part called Bill State Region, which we've defined as an edit combo with which allows multiple selections. So I'm going to go here now and choose, say, California, and then Maine, and then finally New Jersey, and then do a search. And you can see Alpha 5 now did a search for all records that are California, Maine, or New Jersey. So the feature is useful in both the dialog component and also the grid component. I hope you found that useful. Thanks very much.